Hey, how you guys doing? All right, I'm ready to rock and roll. Okay, so let's get down to it. Okay, guys, when it comes down to Save Club, what is it? Is it a fad? Is it something that's going to really work out long term, short term? Uh, how much is it? How many hours a day or week do I have to slave and learn techniques and tricks and all these magic potion lotions and more? What do the gurus do? Do they have voodoo dolls? Okay. Everybody thinks there's like just a massive secret for only a few people that are successful online. And you know what? I got to agree. I'm one of those guys that used to think, okay, there's only 17 people that make money online, and they're the ones that just post really good content. They pay like a massive advertising firm, or they produce videos and then hand it off to somebody that just has an insane amount of production skills. They build websites and they just have things for sale that are affordable and then go to a higher price. Okay. And it always involves an insane amount of setting up. Okay. And just time watching things on how to learn how to do certain stuff. And most of it's learning how to set up things that take anywhere from a week to a month. But in the meantime, you're really not making any money. Okay, you're spending money and you're spending valuable time. And while you're kind of learning stuff and kind of spinning your wheels, and granted, it's good to learn. No doubt about it. I spend a lot of time just watching things, how to learn how to do certain stuff. Okay, just welcome to life. It takes time to learn, right? But with Save Club, how much time do you have to actually just stop, watch, and learn before you can start to earn? Okay, well, believe it or not, minutes. Because there's already a website. There's already a nice video made by Charles. He's our founder. Okay, and if you don't mind just inviting people to click a link to watch your own capture page, which I'll show you, everybody gets the same website and a nice, it's just a web page. If you don't know what a capture page is, basically you're just watching a short video. And if you want more information, put your information in. And if you want to join Save Club, you just go get your Save Club email and join from there. Okay. So anyway, what is a capture page and how do I, almost sign up 50 people in just a little over a week? Okay. I do the same thing in almost every business. Okay. Over the last 2 years, I've learned a lot. And the less I do, the more successful I am. That's why I have multiple streams of income. All right? Not just one. And I make them fun. And I make them all kind of, they all just coincide with each other. They complement each other. Okay? So this is what I do. I keep things simple. Please don't think you have to take months and months and months, all right, to get good at doing one thing. And this is what I recommend you do in the beginning if you join, with zero experience especially. Okay, I love saveclub.com. I bought this domain from GoDaddy, and then what I do is I forward this for free. GoDaddy just forwards it for free. After you buy this domain, it's actually $12.17. That's out the door if they're brand new, not a penny more. And then GoDaddy forwards for free. Okay, no hosting, no building of the website. There's already a website, all right, for Save Club. So after you hit I love saveclub.com, it goes to this page. Now you have this page too. The only difference is you're going to put maybe your own name or your business name right in the middle. I like to brand myself. I just put Cory Draper. Okay, I use my email, Cory@CoryDraper.com. You can always get a hold of all my hubs and businesses at CoryDraper.com. Okay, so the more you get to know me, I've had more success. I want you to be able to look and see what I do on Instagram to TikTok. I'm very heavily into Facebook. Okay, so I recommend use your name. Okay, unless you're like, I don't know, some secret agent man or something, or wanted. If you're on America's Most Wanted, change your name and put on a fake white beard like I do. Okay? Anyway, you're going to have this exact page. Now, remember I said Charles. He's our founder. He has a nice video right here. Click it. Everything you need to know. If you don't want to do any video and even promote this business because you're shy, let this video do it all for you. Please. Okay? You're going to have more success. You're going to relax. And maybe down the road you can do a video like I'm doing. Okay? Or just put yourself out there more. Okay? I think the more you talk about your life, your hobbies, maybe some of your struggles, People love to get to know you. Okay, people join people. I still believe that firmly. I even own peoplejoinpeople.com. You can go there and see my opportunity. Okay, so watch this video. And if you're in, you're in. If you're out, you're out. All right, don't waste time. You need to really make decisions now. It's important that you just make a decision before June 1st of 2025, because that's the official launch, okay, of Save Club. So just think about it, but don't think about it too long. Watch the video. Put your name in here, and I want to give you 1 email per day for 30 days. Collect them, save them, especially if you're going to join, because you can learn off those emails. And if you don't want them, just unsubscribe at the bottom of the email. Click it, and goodbye. Okay? No harm, no foul. There's nothing worse than someone irritating you, just always bugging you to join something. Okay? So go ahead, fill out this information, click the orange button. Now, if you want to join after doing all your research, you're going to get a nice email from Save Club. All you got to do is open it up, get your username, password, all right, configure your bank, okay, with either cryptocurrency or your bank, how you're going to get paid every Friday, or if you want to, join for the month or the year. But it's up to you. This video is just nothing more than how have I been able to sign up almost 50 people in a little over a week? By keeping things simple. Okay, so let me just show you one more time, guys. And if you join my group, my team, I'm going to send you an email in great detail about everything I do. I don't want you to have to stall and do any guesswork. I want you to be able to earn even before you learn. And I know that sounds crazy, but right now people are already earning like crazy. Okay, the last 10 days has been exciting. This is brand new. And during the pre-launch is when you want to sign up in something that has a whole heck of a lot of promise. And right now, you're looking at it. Save Club's doing extremely well. Why? It's just great savings. It's a great website. It's a great design. And people want to save money right now. Okay, why? Why not? I mean, come on now. Who doesn't want to save money on things you're already buying? And right now, there's an affiliate division too that you're going to see when you watch that short video. $60, that's it. You got the full website, the capture page I just showed you. Okay, and I'm going to recommend things. Everything I do is cheap or free. All right? Just like me on a date. Okay. All right, guys. Thank you for your time. I love saveclub.com. If you need something, go to Cory at corydraper.com. You can see my email there on my business card. Okay? And that is it. My work is done. Hopefully you love my brand new sexy orange Walmart shirt that cost me $6 plus tax. All right, man. I'll see you guys next video. Take care, guys, and subscribe to my YouTube channel too. Thanks.